Hey, it's Mike Scully here. Good to have you today. I'm going to go through basically my tech stack that I used, and it's a $0 tech stack, but I used it to scale to 20k per month with my freelance business. So let's just dive right into it. Okay, Card from the beginning. Card is basically the perfect platform to build websites, landing pages, things like that. Now, I was selling these landing pages, and I was able to build my own landing page to advertise my own services through Card. You can get 3 free pages for again, free, $0 for 3 pages. Fantastic tutorials, templates, very, very simple to use, right? User-friendly website that allows you to create a one-page website or landing page. Various templates here, right? Customization options, etc. It's used by a lot of small businesses, individuals, perhaps, and it can also be a professional product as well. So you can, first of all, if you want to charge for it, I've charged up to 2.5k for these one-page websites, but if you want to build one for a lawyer, solicitor, it doesn't matter. You can actually provide these to absolutely anyone. Here is the link, okay, Card. And there's resources here. Basically, just look up Card tutorials. I have some somewhere. I can upload them if you want. Fury is next, and I even have it open in my tabs here. You can see that. It's a social media management tool. It's designed for Twitter. That's primarily it, right? My business stems from Twitter, growing on Twitter. 40,000 followers in about a year and a half is what I gained. Fantastic, tremendous. It basically created my career. That's the power of Twitter and how quick you can do it. I left my 9 to 5 within 3 months of starting. Okay, I was making 10k a month by then. So Fury is very helpful to automate your Twitter content, engage with followers, grow your presence. It's popular among social media managers as well, influencers, marketers, and individuals who just want to maximize their Twitter presence. Okay, hypefury.com. Again, just look up a YouTube video, how to use it. Next up is Calendly. Calendly is an online scheduling tool and simplifies the process of setting up and managing meetings. From there, it can basically automate pre-call sequences, pre-call emails. It integrates with Google Calendar, Outlook, whatever you need it to, and it can send email, or it saves you sending a ton of emails manually. It'll send them automatically to remind people. It's used by absolutely everyone. Okay, calendly.com. You can send someone a link. It's your calendar. They can book in when suits them. Okay, so you've certain times that you'll open up, certain time slots that you'll be available. They can book a call any of those times. Fantastic tool. One of my favorites here, ConvertKit. It's an email marketing software designed for creators, bloggers, entrepreneurs. It's email list management, basically. You can create automations, workflows, segment different groups for different forms, etc. Create targeted email campaigns and automate that marketing process. You only pay when you've thousands of followers anyway, or else if you want to do certain features, but you can begin for absolutely $0. Email marketing is super important. I recommend everyone on their personal brand or business brand journey to collect emails, and ConvertKit is the perfect way. By the way, I have no affiliates to any of these, so yeah, this is just literally what I use. The ConvertKit.com. Notion is next. Notion, all-in-one productivity and collaboration tool that combines note-taking, task management, and project planning. It's fantastic. Notion, look, you can see I have 3 Notion tabs open here. It's like Google Sheets, you could say, or Google Docs, but just super refined, super easy to use. The what it's capable of doing is fantastic. It's project management, documentation, and sharing knowledge as well. Very versatile, powerful. It's really good for teams, individuals, businesses, etc. Notion.io or .so. Stripe is next up here. Again, Stripe. So Stripe is $0 to have, but they take a percentage when you get paid. So it could be like 1 to 3, maybe 4%. It depends on location, geographic, and all that. But yeah, it's free to have it until you get paid. So they only take a percentage of what you get paid. Very, very easy to send an invoice with Stripe. You can do it on your phone. It takes 30 seconds to send someone an invoice when you're on a sales call. Yeah, very, very easy platform to use, and it links directly to your bank. Then it'll pay you out every few days or so once you're getting money into the Stripe account. Very reliable from what I've seen so far. So yeah, that's stripe.com. Very easy way to get paid, essentially. Okay, so quick video there. That's my tech stack: Stripe, Notion, ConvertKit, Calendly, Hypefury, and Card. Fantastic. It's got me to 20k a month, so it can do the exact same for you, and it can do it for free. Take care. Subscribe if you like this video. If you want more of these, like this video, and comment if you have any questions about any of this. Thank you very much. Appreciate you all watching.